Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a good looking video play button on your GoHighLevel hosted videos, okay, on your GoHighLevel landing page. Okay, so let me show you step by step process, and here's an example. Okay, so by default when you upload a video on GoHighLevel page builder, then you will see this type of player, and the default play button looks like exactly like this. Okay, so this is the default play button, but we customized this play button and we made it good looking, and you can also change the size, the color, everything, okay, from the code. I will show you where you actually need to make the change. Here's the pulsing, the glowing effect button, and we also have the pulsing effect button, which is this one. Okay, so we have this two different version of this play button now, okay, into the GHLSaaskit premium code snippet library. Okay, so from our code snippet library, all you just need to copy the code, okay, and then open this code into the editor, and then all you just need to update the color, okay, otherwise everything is good. Okay, so here is the primary background color of your play button, and here is the hover color. Okay, so let me show you the example. Okay, so by default when the video load, you will see this type of effect with the background color, okay, the bluish background color, and when you hover over the video, then the background color changed, right? Yeah, here is it. So this is the hover color and this is the primary color. Okay, so here is it. You just need to make change to your primary color based on your branding or the requirement, and here is the hover color. Okay, and then just copy the primary color and replace it to the box shadow. Okay, so you will also see the comment into the original code. Okay, so play button background color, you can make the change. Here is the play button hover background color. Here is the pulsing effect initial color, and you can just need to make to change the initial color for the pulsing button and the final color, okay, which is same color. Okay, you just need to copy and paste the primary color, and for the second color, okay, you don't need to make any change here. Okay, so we also have the comment, don't change this. Okay, once you're done with the color change, okay, into the original code, then all you just need to copy the code. Let me do this. Okay, just copy the code from the editor, go back to your GoHighLevel, okay, and upload your video. Okay, for this example I already uploaded a video, and then make sure the video autoplay option is turned off. Okay, so the play button is showing properly. Okay, so the autoplay off, and you can also keep your full screen toggle as well as show progress bar on. Okay, that's up to you. So after that, just add the code element, okay, HTML and CSS code element here, and then open it and put your code snippet. That's it. So once you done with all the changes, okay, add the code, then just publish the page or save it. Okay, once you're done, just preview. Okay, let me do this. Okay, yeah, here is it. You see we have added the pulsing effect play button, okay, on this video. If we click, then it will play. You can see the video playing. Okay, so here's how you can add this type of pulsing effect as well as the glowing effect, okay, like this glowing effect video play button on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you can also comment, or if you have any code snippet requests, then you can also write to us. Okay, and also if you like our code snippet and want to get all of the code snippet, then you just need to join our premium code snippet library, okay, from GHLSaaskits.com. You will also get the link into the description of this video, and then you also get access to our code snippet GHLSaaskits community. It's totally free, and you will also get access to our free code snippets library, okay, share with this community access. Okay, so you will also get the community link into the description of this video. Okay, you can join here for free, and then if you like to get our premium course snippet, all you need to upgrade your account. Okay, that's it. So have a nice day. Thanks again for watching this video.